everyone! Welcome to another Creative Berries Connect the Dots drawing video. In this video, we're going to release the Kraken. Oh, but don't worry, we're just going to draw him together. My buddy Dominic loves sea creatures, so what better sea creature than the mythical Kraken? So get your PDF in the description below, and if you don't want to connect the dots, that's okay. You can get a regular piece of paper, pencil, and marker and just follow along and draw with me. Come on, let's get going. And we're going to start at the number 1. So from 1 to 2, doing a straight line like this, and you're going to keep on going all the way through 3, 4, and curve on 5 like this. And all the way down to 6 and curve to 7 like that. And from 7 to 8, doing a rounded corner, a little rounded corner to 9, and you're going to be curving up and down to 10 like that. And from 10, 11, and 12, you're swooping up like that, and nice curve to 14 straight through. There. 14, 15, and 16, you're going to loop around like that and stop. 16, 17, and 18, a gentle curve. And then what we're going to do is sort of weave in and out all the way through to number 27. So swerving up and down and all the way around and up and down and stop there. Now 27, 28, 29, a gentle curve, but on 29 you're going to be curving around. Like that. And then again, gentle curve to 30 and up to 34. Perfect. 34 to 35, 36, a curve, a nice gentle one. Up like that, and we're going to be curving the other direction to 37, and here you're going to do the same thing, curving on the end of 37 to 38. So follow along. 38 all the way to 41, you're curving up and around. Like that. Now from 41 to 42, curving and curving to 43, and curving 45, and a big swoop to 47. Turning inward and then outward like this. Inward again all the way to 54. And continuing to 55. Now from 55 to 56, you're going to do half moon. And again, another half moon here. Gentle curve to 58. And now we're going to be doing a swerve around, similar to what we did on this side. And from 60, 61 to all the way back to number 1, just a nice smooth curve and then a rounded tip like that. And we've got our outline of our Kraken. Next we have to do the details. Let's start by making sure that we can see the tentacles. So I'm drawing extra lines so you can count them 1 through 8. Next I'm drawing swishy lines for the water because I want the Kraken to splash out of the water. Now I'm drawing his face. And to do his eyes, I always use a circle template because that's the only way you're going to get nice, perfect circles. I use the same circle template to do the suction cups on his tentacles. Once I'm done that, it's time to color. I picked the color orange because, well, why not? You can pick whatever color that you want. Once I'm done the tentacles, I'm going to do the mantle and a darker orange. That's the funny hat on his head. Then I'm using a light orange for the underside of his tentacles. I pick a light blue for the water, but again, if you want to make it dark, you can. You can go ahead and do that. Don't be afraid to play with color combinations and do something fun and crazy. Make the water green if you want. Make your Kraken purple. Play around, have some fun. Next, I'm going to pick a dark blue and a dark brown color for shadows. The blue is for the water to make it look a little bit more realistic, and we're going to add some shading to the Kraken right after that. If you like this video and any of my other Connect the Dots dot-to-dot drawing videos, make sure that you subscribe. And don't forget to hit that like button on each video. That way, I'll know which videos you guys like, and I can always draw more for you. Now take your dark orange marker and fill in all of the tentacle suction cups. Now I take my brown marker and I'm shading along the mantle. I'm using a special flicking technique because I've got special art markers, so I can try to blend in the colors much better. I'm using the same brown marker on the tentacles for the shadows. Now I'll take a black marker and color in his eyes. Well guys, I had a lot of fun drawing and coloring this Kraken with you. I hope you enjoyed it too. We'll catch you later in the next video. See you next time. Bye!